Hello friends, welcome to Coding Host YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you program to check palindrome number in Java. Let's see what is a palindrome number. So I am taking a number 1221. So if I reverse this number, it will be same 1221. And if I take another number like 1234, and the reverse of this number will be 4321. So you can see that when we are taking a number and we are reversing it, if original number is equal to the reverse number, so it is a palindrome. So in this case you can see that 1221 is a palindrome number, whereas 1234 is not a palindrome number. So first I will write the program and then I will explain you. So in the program, first I will take a int n variable and initialize it 1221. So this is our input number. After that I will take int original variable and initialize it to n. So I have passed the value of n inside this original variable. After that I will take a reverse variable and reverse and initialize it to 0. And after that I will take a while loop while n not equal to 0, and inside this loop I will take int rem equal to n modulus 10, and reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus rem. So I am taking this inside a bracket. After that I will write n equal to n slash 10. So outside the loop I will use a if else statement. If reverse is equal to original, so in this case we will print palindrome number, and in the else part I will print not palindrome number. So let's run this program. So you can see that we are getting palindrome number in our output. So our input number is a palindrome number. If I take another number like 1234 and let's run this program. So we are getting not palindrome number. So our input number is not a palindrome number. So let's see the working of this program. Here you can see that I have taken int n equal to 1221. So this is our input number. So we have to check is it a palindrome number or not. So I am writing here n and its initial value is 1221. After that I have taken int original equal to n. I will show you later why I have taken this variable. And after that I have taken int reverse equal to 0. So I will write here reverse and its initial value is 0. After that I have taken a while loop while n not equal to 0. So this loop will only work while n is not equal to 0. If n is equal to 0, this loop will not run and it will break. So here you can see that we have 1221 in the n variable which is not equal to 0. So our condition is true and we get inside our loop. So int rem equal to n modulus 10. Modulus means we are dividing n by 10 and taking out the remainder, and after that I am storing that remainder in this remainder variable which is int rem. So let's see. So we will dividing n by 10. So here is our n, and after that 10. So 10 into 1 is 10. So 2 here and 2 down here. After that 10 into 2 is 20. So 2 here and 1 down here. After that 10 into 2 is 20. So now we get 1 in our reminder. So now this reminder will have 1 inside it. So I am writing here rem, and this rem variable have 1 inside it, 1. After that I have taken reverse is equal to reverse into 10. So we have 0 in our reverse variable, and 0 into 10 is 0. So plus reminder, which is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1, and I am storing back that result in the reverse variable. Now we get 1 in the reverse variable. After that n equal to n slash 10. So in this case we are dividing n by 10, and we are taking out the quotient. So you can see that in the case of modulus we take a remainder, and in the case of this slash we take quotient. So here you can see that when we divide n by 10 we get 122 in the quotient. After that I will store this quotient back in the n. So now n has 122 inside it, 122. After that we will again run our loop. So n not equal to 0. So we have 122 in n, which is not equal to 0. So yes, our condition is true, and we get inside our loop. So here is int rem equal to n modulus 10. So we again would divide n by 10 and take out the remainder and store it in the rem variable. So now we have 122 in the n variable. So 122 divided by 10. So 10 into 1 is 10. After that 2 here and 2 down here. So 10 into 2 is 20. So now we get 2 in our remainder, and these 2 will be stored in this rem variable. So now rem has 2 inside it. After that reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. So we have 1 in the reverse variable. So 1 into 10 is 10, and plus rem, which is 2. So 10 plus 2 is 12, and now reverse will have 12 inside it. After that n equal to n slash 10. So we again divide n by 10 and take out the quotient. So here is our quotient. So we store it back in the n. So now n has 12 inside it. After that we will again run our loop. So n not equal to 0. So we have 12 in the n, and it is not equal to 0. So yes, our condition is true, and we get inside the loop. So int rem equal to n modulus 10, and we again divide n by 10 and take out the remainder and store it in the rem variable. So we have 12 in the n. So 12 divided by 10. So 10 into 1 is 10, and now we get 2 in the remainder, and we store it back in the rem variable like this. After that reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. So we have 12 in the reverse, and 12 into 10 is 120 plus rem, which is 2. So 120 plus 2 is 122. So now reverse have 122 inside it. After that n equal to n slash 10. So we again take out the quotient and store it back in the n. So now n has 1 inside it. After that we again run our loop. So n not equal to 0. So we have 1 in the n, and 1 is not equal to 0. So yes, our condition is true, and we again get inside the loop. So again, int rm equal to n modulus 10. So dividing n by 10, so we have 1 in the n, so 1 divided by 10. So 10 into 0 is 0, and we get 1 in the remainder, and remainder will be again stored in the rem variable. So now rem has 1 inside it. After that, reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus remainder. So reverse is 122, and 122 into 10 is 1220 plus remainder, which is 1. So it will become 1221. So now our reverse variable has 1221 inside it, and after that n equal to n slash 10. So we take out this quotient, which is 0, and store it back in the n. So now n has 0 inside it, and after that we again run our loop. So n not equal to 0, but now we has 0 in the n variable, which is equal to 0. So our condition is false, and this loop will break. After that, we will execute if else statement. So if reverse is equal to original, so you are thinking that why I have not written an variable here, so we can directly check them equal or not. But here you can see that after the ending of our while loop, our n has become 0. This is why we cannot use n to check that input number is equal to reverse number or not. So that's why I used original variable to store the input number that time. So because of that, original variable has still 1221 inside it. So now reverse has 1221 inside it, and also original has 1221 inside it. So reverse is equal to original, so our condition is true, and it will print palindrome number, and we get palindrome number in our output. Another example, that if I have taken 1 2 3 4, and in the reverse we will get 4 3 2 1. So in that case, original number is not equal to reverse number. So here this if statement will become false, and it will not print palindrome number, and due to which it will execute this else statement and print not palindrome number. So in that case, we get not a palindrome number when original number is not equal to reverse number. So this is how we can write a program to check a palindrome number in Java. Thank you.